Thanks so much for staying with us this evening for the weather report and forecast. Now, in the Western Caribbean this evening, we still are under the influence of that frontal system, and we still have that stable weather and cloudy conditions across sections of the Western Caribbean. Now, we're expecting that the frontal system moves out of the area. We are also expected to be under the influence of these clouds come tomorrow, and also on Thursday we're expecting cloudy conditions to persist, but it's on Friday that we're expecting another frontal system to be just towards the west of the island, and it's expected to be moving over the island on Saturday. Now, the forecast for tonight has partly cloudy skies with some lingering showers mainly across sections of Portland and St. Mary. We're expecting the winds to be out of the north on the south coast and out of the east-southeast on the north coast. We're expecting wind speeds to be about 15 knots. Temperatures drop to 23 degrees Celsius in Kingston and 24 degrees Celsius for Montego Bay. Now, in the morning tomorrow, we're expecting it to be partly cloudy with some isolated showers mainly across the northeast again, and then for the afternoon, partly cloudy conditions persist. Expect temperatures to get to about 27 degrees Celsius in Kingston, and the temperature in Montego Bay gets to about 26 degrees Celsius. Now, the forecast breakdown has partly cloudy conditions across most of the area tomorrow. We still have windy conditions across sections of the coastal areas in Black River, Savannah, Lamar and Negril. We're also expecting windy conditions in Lucy, Montego Bay and Falmouth. Partly cloudy conditions with strong winds are also likely across sections of the north, especially across Ocho Rios, also St. Anne's Bay, Port Maria and Port Antonio. We're expecting some isolated showers in the afternoon in Golden Spring. We're also expecting isolated showers in the afternoon in Grange Hill, in Duncans and in Cape Valley. It's partly cloudy for most of the day in Richmond and in Moortown. The next few days, partly cloudy conditions with scattered showers are likely on Thursday. We're expecting an increase in clouds, showers and some possible thunderstorms on Friday, with cloudy conditions persisting right across the island on Saturday. Now, for the marine forecast on the north coast tomorrow, the winds are north-northeasterly at 20 to 25 knots, wave heights between 2 and 2.5 meters. And then on the south coast tomorrow, expecting a northerly wind at 20 to 25 knots with wave heights between 2 and 2.5 meters. Offshore winds are between 20 and 25 knots. Wave heights are between 2 and 2.5 meters. Sunset in Kingston tomorrow is at 2 minutes after 6 and at 8 minutes after 6 in Negril. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. But we thank you so much for watching.